Let me show you how I did this beautiful brown smoky eye look. Believe me, it's very easy. Priming my eyes using the ABH eye primer. And for this look, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette, the Soft Glam palette by ABH. This is probably my most used eyeshadow palette I have. Excuse how dirty this palette is. I'm going to start off by picking the burnt orange shade and tap off your brush. And I'm going to start packing that on my crease. So I basically just tap my brush like that until I'm happy with the color buildup. I'm going to pick the shade Orange Soda and I'm going to blend everything here. Like that. With this shade Rustic right here and apply that all over my lid. Again with dabbing motion. Again, I'm going to keep building until I'm happy with the shade. Now, without picking any more product, I'm going to blend the rough edges right here. Blending can be very boring, but believe me, keep blending until the harsh line disappears. Now, going with my Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil, I'm going to line my eye like that. And my waterline as well. Okay, so far I've only used 2 brushes on my eyes. A blending brush and a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take the same flat eyeshadow brush, pick this black shade that is barely there, and go over my liner. Just like that. And I'm packing again. Just like that. Without picking any more product, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using my favorite telescopic mascara by L'Oreal Paris. But look how freaking good this mascara is. For lashes, I'm going with the Morphe in Malibu. This highlighter by Kaleidos, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. This step will just help open up the eye a little bit. And this is the final look. Oh my gosh, this turned out really nice. Okay. This really turned out really nice. I really like it. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know how you guys liked it and what I should try next for you guys. Never mind, I'll give you a close-up. Look how pretty.
Yeah. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated, you better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person, I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect.